For over 850 years, Notre-Dame de Paris has stood as the heart of France. This cathedral has witnessed revolutions, coronations, and the unfolding of history. But in 2019, it faced its greatest challenge yet. On April 15, 2019, the world watched in horror as flames engulfed Notre Dame. Today, we explore the rich history of this iconic cathedral, the night that nearly destroyed it, and the monumental efforts to bring it back from the brink. Construction of Notre Dame began in 1163 during the reign of King Louis VII. For nearly 2 centuries, generations of craftsmen worked to create this masterpiece of French Gothic architecture. The cathedral's facade is adorned with intricate sculptures, while inside, stunning stained glass windows, including the famous rose windows, have captivated visitors for centuries. Throughout its history, Notre Dame has been at the center of French life. In 1804, it was here that Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself emperor. During World War II, it stood as a symbol of Paris's resilience under occupation. In 1831, Victor Hugo's novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, brought renewed attention to the cathedral, which had fallen into disrepair. Hugo's work sparked a major restoration effort, ensuring Notre Dame's survival into the modern era. On April 15, 2019, as Paris prepared for evening, smoke began to rise from Notre Dame's roof. What started as a small fire in the attic quickly became an inferno that threatened to destroy centuries of history. Over 400 firefighters battled the blaze, facing intense heat and navigating the cathedral's narrow medieval staircases. Their heroic efforts saved the main structure, but not without cost. The fire caused the collapse of the cathedral's spire and destroyed most of the roof. However, thanks to the firefighters' dedication, the main stone structure, including the 2 bell towers, was saved. Many of the cathedral's priceless artifacts and artworks were rescued, and the famous rose windows miraculously survived. In the days following the fire, investigators combed through the debris, seeking answers. While the exact cause remains undetermined, it's believed to have been accidental, possibly due to an electrical short circuit or a discarded cigarette. In the wake of the fire, French President Emmanuel Macron vowed to rebuild Notre Dame within 5 years. This ambitious goal has mobilized craftspeople, engineers, and conservators from around the world. The restoration effort has become a symbol of resilience and unity. Donations have poured in from around the globe, with France's wealthiest families making significant contributions. As we speak, work continues day and night to restore Notre Dame. The cathedral is expected to reopen its doors in December 2024, marking a triumphant return after its brush with destruction. The story of Notre Dame is far from over. This cathedral has survived revolution, war, and fire. As it rises once again, Notre-Dame de Paris stands as a testament to human creativity, faith, and our unwavering commitment to preserving our shared cultural heritage.